root directory there is a folder store. Right now there is no folder in created in server. Now just we entered the directory in the, this is the optional. The location, now you can see that we can see that this is the, after the domain you can see the store. The file manager we didn't create, now we can create on the file manager. Okay, we don't have any store folder, we can create a folder here under the public HTML. Okay, this is the root directory. We are now going to create a folder. Yes, here it will come when we create on the folder and we are going to install on that directory. Okay, Magento will be installed on that directory. Okay, now let's start. Let's create the store. Yeah, now the created the store directory, but there is nothing and no files. It's an empty file. I mean empty folder. We are going to install store folder. Okay, the version we are using the latest version that the software is recommending. The 2.4 is the recommended. Okay, we can select the any of the version, but now we are here we are showing to latest version 2.4. We are going to install on the 2.4. Okay, the language we selected the English. Okay, and here Magento license, accept the license. Automatic update, here we can choose the do not automatically or update automatically. Now we choose the update to new minor version and security release. It will automatically update. Okay. Automatic update backup. Okay, whenever the automatic update is failed, it will automatically, I mean it will restore the from the previous backup. Okay, last backup. Automatic update backup. Okay, now administrator username. This is the username to access the store backend. After the installation, we need to manage, administer, we need to configure, we need to do the, we need to access, the administrator need to access the backend, the store backend. So we can, we are going to create an administrator username here. Okay, we can put any name like admin, administrator in the command, and we can put the name. Okay, any login name we can create it. Now we are going to create a store admin. This is our administrator login ID. Can create any name. Okay, no issue with that. After that we put the password. Okay, the administrator password. To access the backend for administrator, we need username and password. Creating the account. Okay, now we created a username for the administrator, and also we created a password. Okay, next is the administrator email. Here we can put the administrator email. Okay, whenever we forgot the password, we need to reset the administrator account. In case we forget the username and password, I mean any password, we need to access, we need to recover the account for the administrator. We'll definitely put the email. So here we can put the administrator or store administrator email. Now I'm going to put admin. Okay, let's see. Okay, my email address for the administrator. Okay, okay, now we can change the website title. Any title we can put. Okay, any online shopping, online store, online cosmetic store, whatever is it, we can put our website title. Okay, so we can here type our title as online cosmetic store in Kerala or India, anything. can type any name. Just typing my website to my online store title. Okay. Now this is the settings, advanced settings, setting management. There's an option automatically manage the tool settings, or let me manage the settings. If we have already created the database, we can create the database. We can give the database host, like local host, or what is IP address of the host, anything, database name, database username, database password. These things we can enter here. If we created, we have already created the database and username, these things. Okay, same way we can do the some option, you can see that. Now we are going, actually we are going to do that. These things we can, if you want we can change these things. Okay, now we are going to install on automatically create that new database for the installation. That means the application will automatically create when we start the installation. We don't have any previously created database or database user. Okay, so we are everything we are doing the automatically manage advanced settings for me. So installation software will automatically create the all the things like username, password, database, host name, everything. System will automatically create. Okay, you can see that you can, what is next, go to the install, click on the install. Installation is the processing. Okay, it is processing. Online cosmetics store in Kerala. Now they started copying the files from the directory. Now the Magento is copying all the directories and files to public HTML, the root directory. Under the root directory, we have created the store folder. Under the folder, yeah, we can see that now the Magento is creating the folders and files. Okay, yes, Magento is creating the folders and files, and installation is started. It will take a few minutes, some depends on the system speed, network speed, and okay, now the installation is complete. Now our Magento store 2.4 is complete. This is the link for the administrator to access the Magento backend. This is the second one, is the Magento administrator who is administrating. They can yeah, this is the front end view. Thus, the Luma theme is installed. By default, Luma will come. Default theme is the Luma. So we don't have any demo content like demo data is we don't install and we don't import any demo data. So it's an empty theme, and we can see that. This is the administrator or any backend access. Okay, now I am going to log into administrator. Okay, yeah, yeah, this is the Magento dashboard. Now it's created successfully. The Magento is working fine. This is the Magento cron job. Index are invalid. Okay, you can see the store admin. This is the administrator account where created when installing the Magento system. The functions, you can see that all the Magento available tab. This is the cache management. There is a two files. One files are invalidated. We can select the files and refresh, or you can flush the Magento cache. Now everything is flushed. Everything is, every page is refreshed. Statics page is refreshed. Okay. After that, we can go for that and we can check the dashboard. These are the Magento 2 options, all the tabs: system, store, reports, content, marketing, okay, sales, catalog. index are invalid because we need to re-index it. Okay, we can go for the terminal window or SSH. We can access the root access. Okay, public. We need to go for the. We need to re-index from the Magento folder. Okay, now our Magento folder is the store is a Magento folder, root folder. Magento installation folder is store. Now we can open the terminal or we can go for the SSH or command line. Then we can re-index it. I will show you that how to re-index the Magento through command line. Go for the terminal. Click on the terminal window from the cPanel. Okay, cd public underscore HTML. This is our root server root. Then cd to the cd change directory to HTML. Our Magento root directory, Magento installation directory is store. Go to the store. Yeah, now we are in store. Okay, public HTML store. The store is the Magento root installation directory. We can run the command for re-indexing php bin slash Magento indexer colon reindex. Now we re-index Magento store, all the files, everything get and everything re-index. Started the re-indexing. Okay. Okay. This is the re-indexing.